Hello everyone, good evening. This is Rohit Kumar and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Cross Design Concept. And in this video, I'm going to sketch a new bike idea that I was thinking from a long time. And I want to say sorry that I'm uploading this video after a long time because I was going through some internet issues and I also had some kinds of technical problems in my cellular device. So I'm really sorry for that, and I promise that every week I upload a new video with a new concept, new design related to the automobile design ideas, which can make you able to understand how to sketch automobile designs and the concept of automobile ideas with a free hand without using any heavy equipment or skills, just with a handful of skills, templates, some regular pencil, and all the things that you can get easily in the market and at your home. So, without wasting more time, let's start the video. And yeah, one more thing that I really want to say, that if you have not subscribed the channel, then please go and subscribe my channel. Also like this video, and if it's possible, then share with your friends, and also make sure that you have to click on the bell notification icon so you get notified every time when I upload a new one. So there's enough, and let's see the video. And yeah, one more thing, must share this video with your friends.
So stick around. So stick around.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, oh.
So I hope that you guys have watched the video and also enjoyed the video. So if you have really enjoyed the video, then please like my channel, subscribe my channel, not like my channel, sorry, like the video, subscribe my channel, also share with a friend, and make sure that you have to click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload a new video. It inspires me a lot, really a lot. So please subscribe the video, share with a friend, and God bless you, and see you soon in a next video with a new concept art. So take care and bye.